you. That's a nice one. Hartman Adventures at them, man. What's going on again, people? Yeah, man, Jay again with Hartman Adventures. Out on another fishing adventure. Should be linking up with Jamaica shore fishing today. I'm walking towards where they are now, so yeah, man, just stay tuned. I should be linking up with Jamaica shore fishing. So yeah, man, just go and hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Also turn on your notifications so you can get notified every single time something new drops. So just stay tuned. Once we link up with him, cameras will be rolling again, or if I get a hookup anytime soon. So just stick around, man, and stay tuned and go and enjoy the adventure today. What's going on, guys? Just a quick voiceover. You're gonna notice that a part of this video is just gonna skip from when we were doing some lure fishing over to when Jerry got the hookup. What happened is we were doing some lure fishing. We realized that the wind was kicking up, so we just jumped to a different location, and I forgot to record that part. When we got there, got some bait, set up my line, and then I set my shoes to kind of drain because my shoes filled up with some water earlier, and then I just totally forgot to record. So sorry about that, and hopefully next time I can do a better job of capturing more of the action for you guys. So sorry about that. Yeah, man, so it's finally link up with Jamaica shore fishing and Team Chef Life. You can see them over that side. Them are fishing over that side. Me I work over this side. So at some point I go cross over there and then can have a chat, you see me? But just link up with them. So just stick around and see if me can throw some lure. There's just a small amount of current pushing this way, over this side. So see if we can work the current and see if anything in it. Permit on, my boy! Permit on! Permit on! Yes, man.
Yeah, baby boy. That is it.
That is it, man. Take off your belt, bro. Take off your belt. He's hooked, man. He's hooked. Take off your belt. He's hooked. He's good. Yeah, man. Don't lose tension. Don't lose tension. Yeah, man. Let me get a gap. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Yeah, how you feeling, bro? What did Hartman do for you? I got the spot, bro. I got the spot. Let me tell you, bro. When they go, bro. When they go. That's a big fish, bro. That's a big fish. Yeah, bro. That's a big fish.
Come on, baby. I'm gonna get him tired.
I have my gaff, man. Me gaff him here.
Come on, baby boy. Come in.
Jamaica shore fishing. Hooked up on a big permit.
Hartman Adventures. Team Chef Life.
Yeah, bro. See him right here. See him right here. That's a nice one, bro. Don't fight, don't pressure him. Got you.
Yeah, baby boy.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you.
got it.
Gotcha. That's a nice one, bro. No, come back over.
Yeah, don't back now with the bike here.
That's a nice one. That's about 7-8 pounds.
Oh!
That's a nice one. That is it, man. Jamaica shore fishing. Yes, man. And we have the spot, bro. We have the spot.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Nice one, man. That's a nice one. That's a nice
Boy,
boy.
give me a fight, boy.
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, bro. We were talking about this last night on the live.
On the live.
On the live, we were talking about this. I told you, bro. I told you.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Extreme Fisher Hartman have the spot there.
Big up Extreme. Big up Surf and Rock Fishing Barbados. Yeah, man. The General. Big up yourself. Fish, Bayesian Fish Prickers. Big up yourself, Bayesian Fish Prickers.
Yeah, see you again.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so that is it for today. Link up with Jamaica Shore Fishing Team Chef Life. Yeah, man, so we come out on the spot. We did do some lure fishing earlier this morning, but the wind did start pick up, so we did already promise Jamaica Shore Fishing, so we will bring him out on the spot to go look at permit. Bring him out. First gas out, him get a permit. Nice 8-foot permit.
Yep.
So yeah, it's so hot you know, so we are going.
Yeah, guys.
See if we can get the fish processed and everything. So yeah, man, that's how we are doing it. This is one of the biggest, one of the nicest link up with us on the channel so far. Yeah, we link up enough time. It's just that we
This
just
is one of the fish catching ones.
yeah.
Yeah, well, we catch big fish.
So yeah, see more link up one on the channel and
And then stay tuned for this week.
just hear my bell go off. Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
But yeah, we are wrap up the video now, so if we do get a run on that, you guys will see. But if not, we are wrap up right now, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next adventure.
Outside.
Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.